Prime Minister was shocked at what he saw. In his own words, heartbroken. Later, he repeated his pledge to rebuild the city as an important Australian aviation and shipping gateway. He said public buildings would be easily restored. But in retrospect, he said houses built since the cyclone of 1937 were unsuitable for the area. The Prime Minister added that he expects Darwin's population to be thinned by evacuation flights to about 10,000. That's by the time units of the Royal Australian Navy arrive on New Year's Day. During his stay in the northern city, Mr. Whitlam was briefed on present food, water and medical supplies, mopping up operations, plans for rebuilding, and the immediate needs of the thousands still stranded in Darwin. It will take at least another 3 days before the bulk of evacuees have been airlifted out. He spoke to some awaiting relief flights to the south.
It's never been arranged. Kids all right?
Yes, fine.
What wonderful Christmas. Yeah. But he won't remember it.
No. We'll tell him.
The kids are terribly resilient, aren't they?
I'll lay a custard on top, and we just hope we have enough food for everybody.
Terrific improvisation. The way you've all rallied marvellous.
What's that place of quiet, fellas?
Would you like to take it? Oh, no.
Not yet, I don't think it's...
No, you, but others are wanting it.
Yeah.